Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. Okay, the principle of contrast. When you can create a greater contrast between two states, you feel the difference between the two, and that opens the door to sensitivity. So if you're having problems being able to feel energy and, let's say, differentiate between different sensations, you have to create contrasts to amplify your ability to feel. So these contrasts have a very simple. If we look at life force breathing and building the ball, then we look at the magnetic body mechanics for water element, where we pluck the joints and pull the energy open. The energy becomes naturally more magnetic. And then we look at expanding and the joints from the center of the joint out. The energy becomes more electric. And then when you flux from the magnetic body mechanic to the electric body mechanic, you go through this broad spectrum of energetic contrast. Then as you slow the energy down through the first transformation, you go through the layers of those energies. And then when you expand and open your space, you go through changing qualities of the energies, mental qualities. So these gives a whole range of contrasts between electric and magnetic, between time and space, to give you a high amount of change so that you can feel how energy shifts from one state into another. You can feel the different variations of energy, the different shades of energy, and so forth. So find ways to produce high amount of contrast. Another simple exercise is you vital breathe, then you pick up a deadlift bar and continue vital breathing for 1 minute. And while you're doing that, you're relaxing, hanging the muscles, opening the joints. Then you concentrate on the feeling of the life force while slowing it down and doing the first transformation. Then you open up your space a bit further to occupy space around you, radiating about 6 meters out. And you are playing with these principles for a minute or so. The timer goes off, and then you put the bar down and you vital breathe. As you vital breathe and recover, you'll find yourself moving into a state of where the energy is getting pulled into your body, and you'll be in a vital healing mode, recovery mode. And then from there, we go back into the next round, and you play with those same principles. You're playing with the feeling of vital, you're playing with the magnetic body mechanics, electric body mechanics, the first transformation of slowing the energy down, the opening up the mental space. And because you're under a very heavy load, the contrast amplifies, and you get a deeper sense of nuances of the energy, aspects of your mind, what makes your mind contract. When you get put under heavy loads, there's a tendency for the mind to shrink in on itself, to collapse in on itself into the body, and you lose the open space and so forth. So you learn a lot about yourself, about how the energy functions and so forth by doing these exercises. Find ways to create huge amounts of contrast, and your learning will amplify.